guys? Big Rig Barbie, and I am here with Brian and their new truck, Unfinished Business, with Semi-Casual. I'm going to hang out with him for a little bit, and he's going to give us all the details on this beautiful truck. So, yeah, introduce yourself and tell us all about it.
My name is Brian with Semi-Casual. The truck behind us is a 2024 Peterbilt 389 that we built for Jarrett Whitwer at PDI. So, Performance Diesel Inc., if you're not familiar, under the hood of this truck has every single thing that PDI offers for the X15. If you like it, at some point we can flip the hood up.
Oh, that would be amazing.
The engine has got hundreds of hours of work to do what we did.
Yeah, that would be really cool to see. So how long did this process take? Was it a quick build, yearly build?
So this truck we have been working on for a little bit over 2 years.
Awesome.
The paint job alone has over 1,400 hours to paint the truck. Every square inch of this truck has been completely repainted with Axalta, or what would be Imron.
Right.
And so it's a 8890S clear, which is all the commercial line paints.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The build of the truck itself is north of like 3,200 hours to complete it.
That is insane. So if you were to drive this every day, what would your favorite aspect of the truck be?
It would just be the look and the whole deal. Now,
The
the whole package, but if you're gonna drive this thing every day, the interior in this truck is done something so that it is would be a lot of fun to be behind the wheel and enjoy. It's all completely done 100% in leather.
That is so plush.
Every square inch with the blue stitching. There's actually 1,400 square foot of sound deadening in here.
Oh my!
So when you're going down the road, this truck almost sounds like you're driving like a European car. Is super quiet.
Wow, that is really nice. I told Blake on the way over here, I told him, I was like, I'm glad we're not driving Looney over, because by the time we get here and home, my ears are just
you're kind of almost exhausted from like the fatigue of the road.
Yeah,
and
like
the noise.
overstimulation of the noise. Yeah. So when we were talking earlier, you told me something about the bottom of the sleeper. What's going on with that?
So we've got a ton of time, and if you look directly under here, we have skinned the entire bottom of the sleeper. It gave us a way to add more sound deadening to keep the truck quiet and hide all of our wires and everything underneath, so that when you see it, the biggest reason was if you look at the reflections on the tanks, your tank straps, everything stays uniform and it's not busy looking.
Right. Yeah. I never even thought about that, but now that you pointed that out, every time we're doing videos or something, all you really see is the underside of the deal and the reflection. So that's a really cool idea.
So back here, again, we've painted the entire chassis inside and out. The truck, the things that you can't see on this truck are just as nice as what you're seeing on the outside.
I believe that. I definitely believe that.
We hid the sleeper bags and shocks and everything are up underneath the cab.
That is so
or under the sleeper.
Yeah.
Just kind of give it a clean look.
This deck plate is really slick too. I like that as well. So this color also, I love that there's no flake in it.
Yep.
I don't know if y'all can tell that in the video, but it is no flake, and that is probably one of my favorite styles of paint.
Wanted to be really simple and clean look to it, and in a color that was like you had to look at it.
Yes, yeah. I mean, as simple as you can be with a bright blue truck, right? It's awesome though.
One thing to check out here is the rear hubs here. So this is something you don't see a lot, but we actually took the hubs completely off the truck, sanded them all down, polished them out. We smoothed the axles. So here on a stock axle, you're going to have a hole here and two protruding pieces here.
Yeah.
We got rid of all of that, painted them, changed the bolts. Just wanted the rear wheels to just look really nice.
Everything on here just looks shaved and sleek and clean. I would love to wash this truck.
It doesn't take long.
Every time I wash one of our trucks, I break a nail because I hit it on a nut or a bolt or something. It's the worst.
Like just catching a nut, you know?
Oh no. And there's Blake.
So you talk about hitting your nails on things. Everything on this truck is rounded. If you put your hand in here and you feel inside here, when we painted this chassis, we actually took these off, ground smooth, rounded every single thing on this truck. The inside of the rails, if you feel your hand, nothing's got a straight edge to it anywhere.
The detail on this is crazy. I would never even think to do that.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And if you look underneath, it's actually completely skinned all the way back. We've got hidden rock lights flush mounted in our belly pan. Kind of covers the whole deal.
I really like y'all's tank filler. I like how it's like inset in there.
Inset there, yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
We chromed a ton of stuff on this truck, including the boat caps and having all that. Again, just trying to have that clean look to it.
Yeah, it's so tasteful the way y'all did this. This is great. Y'all ready to open it?
Let's see if we can find a third person.
Heck, you're stressing me out.
You ready? Yes, sir. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Here it is. is. Oh my gosh. You are right. That was worth opening the hood.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you wouldn't until we did. I didn't want to put the springs in there. I'm worried about it rubbing the paint.
Right.
And I'm like, we're just not putting springs on this.
Yeah. No, that's so smart.
So something to look at. The back of this bumper.
He's
There's
freaking out. He's freaking out, man. Are you okay?
You okay?
Yeah, I didn't know I had cable. I was sitting there holding it up my knee.
Oh no! Yeah, you were good to go. Yeah.
My bad.
You good?
Sorry.
Woo, maybe
Thank
a
you.
heart attack. Yes, sir.
Okay.
The valve cover over there is a one-off. We actually made 3 and brought to the show, so Jared's got some. But that's a full billet, chrome-plated valve cover that we made just for this truck.
That's cool, man. That's really cool. So what is this motor pushing?
So with all the PDI stuff on it, their stuff is built more for, or they do their stuff for efficiency and performance.
Okay.
With this truck, it started life out as a 565 X15 Cummins, 565 horsepower. With everything the way it's done now, it should be around 620 to 630 horsepower to the wheels.
Nice. Okay.
So it's a good upgrade.
Yeah, that is a huge upgrade, and looks-wise is incredible.
Right here is a DEF
what
tank.
did y'all do with that? Oh, that's the DEF?
There's 2 DEF tanks on here. Jared, when we were building this truck, wanted to make sure he could run for a little while.
Yeah.
So there's 2 on either side, and we can walk over and I'll show you.
How cool is that?
That one gravity feeds the other one. It gives you 14 gallons of DEF, and that's completely hidden.
Wow, I love that. And y'all got the inside painted and everything?
Yep.
I've always wanted to do that on a truck.
We built skins to kind of cover everything. That way we could have a nice straight line when our stripes come through.
Worry about all the waves and all that stuff.
And if you look through the center, because they always have all the hucks.
Yes.
And so we made a cover just to go straight up there just to kind of clean up the look but keep it factory.
Man, y'all thought of everything on this. The detail is amazing.
Thank you.
Y'all should be so proud of this.
We are, definitely.
Yes. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. If you love this truck, please leave it in the comments. Show them some love. Let them know how much of a good job they did. It is not doing it justice. It's a gorgeous truck. Thank you so much for walking around.
Yep.
And if you want to tell them where they can find you and more videos of the truck.
So you can follow this entire build of this truck from start to finish. You can go to our YouTube channel at Semi Casual Show. All our social media is also at Semi Casual Show.
Okay, great.
And you can follow all the stuff that we've been doing with PDI.
Yes.
Theirs is at PDI Diesel.
Okay, great. Well, now y'all know. Y'all saw it here. Check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody.
See ya.